We know now that Omicron is less severe, both intrinsically, and we certainly know that once you get boosted, that your chance of hospitalisation, our latest analysis shows, is almost 90% less than what it was with Delta. And of course, this is good news. But we also know that it's highly, highly infectious. The ONS estimated that last week they think about 1 in 15 people in London were infected. We haven't seen infection rates like that with COVID before. So does that, that all that taken together does mean that with this high infection rate, despite the lower severity, we are seeing hospitalisation. So we should remain cautious, and people are doing that. That's why the Prime Minister said we're sticking with Plan B for now. But also, again, I just can't stress enough the importance of getting vaccinated. Already, over 75% of people, adults in the country that are eligible, are boosted. But we need more people to come forward. We've got the vaccines. The vaccine centre here today is up and running. There's plenty of people there, the vaccinators. We just need more and more people to come forward to keep getting boosted.
What are you hearing from Northamptonshire, where we understand that a county-wide major incident is about to be declared there?
But we are seeing, as we've seen across the country in this last week, more and more parts of the NHS, whether it's Northamptonshire, Lincolnshire, we heard earlier this week in Manchester, declaring critical incidents. And given the pressures that the hospitals are facing around the country, especially workforce pressures with their workforce, like other workforces, if they're infected, needing to self-isolate, this is understandable. But it is all part of trying to work together, providing the NHS every support that it needs to help get through this very difficult time.
There have been reports today that you were opposed to the Prime Minister's decision to relax testing rules for international travel. Are you worried that doing so makes a future lockdown more likely?
Look, I want to see travel open up. I want to see it be made as easy as it possibly can be. It should always be a balanced and proportionate approach. And I think that the approach that we've taken, what we've announced this week, where we require people still, upon their return, to take a lateral flow test, and if they are positive, to take a confirmatory PCR test, I think this is a right, balanced and proportionate approach.
Moving away from the pandemic, you're a former Chancellor. Given the serious concerns over